So a lot of you guys that's going to be watching this video right now may feel discouraged, may feel at a loss, may feel like you're doing all you could do, but you're still not seeing results. You're doing all you can do, but you're still not making enough money. You're probably praying for a way out. You're praying for something to just click. But the crazy part is opportunity, or the thing that you might be missing, is sitting right there in your hand, your smartphone. Trust me, you guys, I know what it feels like to wake up every day knowing that you need money, feeling like you need something to change. And today, I actually want to show you guys how to start using the internet, not to just stroll and consume content, but to create passive income, to make money in your sleep, to make money from anywhere in the world. I'm literally here in the Dominican Republic and my phone is going off from sales I'm making and money that's being deposited into my accounts automatically. And give you guys some ideas on how to build real income from wherever you are in life. As you guys know, because of social media, we live in a time where opportunities are everywhere. But it's crazy because also distractions are everywhere, and distractions are louder than opportunities. I literally guarantee you guys that every day you're strolling past opportunities and not even realizing it. So that's why I decided to make this video of 6 different ways that you can make passive income online starting today. The first passive income idea that you guys can start online today is going to be to start a small business. Start a business that is going to solve someone's problem, something that someone is struggling with, and you have the solution. It's crazy because we're in 2025 right now, and there are so many different ways to start an online business. They have things like print on demand, which is where you would use a platform to print your product and also ship your product to people, so you don't have to deal with any shipping or any inventory. But I need you guys to keep in mind when you're doing print on demand to not use generic products. Like, don't use something that everyone else is using. Find some products where you can put your own twist on it and make it yours. If you guys are unaware what type of products you're able to use for print on demand, I'm talking mugs, I'm talking journals, hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, canvases for in your house, paintings to hang on your wall, tote bags. Basically anything that is customizable, they have it for print on demand. Your job is to just figure out what's trending, how to customize that in a logo, and throw that on a website to be sold. So if you don't want to go with print on demand, you can start a product-based business by just locating really high quality vendors with good products, something like skincare. Again, you want to look for products that are going to solve someone's problem. So if I have a breakout, if I have acne, if I don't feel beautiful, and there's a skincare product that will help me with that, I will more than likely buy it. And if you're going to be sourcing products, make sure you're finding a reliable vendor that has high quality products as well as really good shipping. Now, if you just want to stick to selling trendy viral products, then that's why they have AI platforms that will literally show you the products that are trending and show you how to find the suppliers for them. You guys, everything can be literally done for you so easily if you would just look for these tools to help you guys. You can use tools like Alibaba Lens, which you can pull up a viral TikTok video and figure out how much they're paying for this product. Chances are it's super cheap and they just have a crazy upsell. So if you wanted to do something like that, selling trendy viral products, then you could also do that. Last week I did a video on my Instagram showing you guys how to find trending products that people are selling on TikTok Shop. You can then use another platform to download the videos that the affiliates are making using this same product, because again, Alibaba has the same product, different vendors. So you could find this product at a cheap, affordable price, go on this platform and get the videos that these affiliates are making, and then you would use those videos to make ads on Facebook and market that product and send the people back to your Shopify website for your product. Second passive income idea is going to be selling digital products, courses, ebooks, memberships, PDFs, checklists, a digital download, anything that people are able to download online and be able to receive access to it, link or a file to that product instantly. It's a digital download. You guys might say, oh, I have no followers. How am I going to sell a digital product? You're going to sell a digital product because you are somewhere that someone wishes to be. It doesn't matter what you are doing in life. If you're in corporate and you're really high up, or if you're a RN, it doesn't matter. You know something that someone else else doesn't know. So you just have to package that knowledge and sell it as a digital product. And if for some reason you don't want to sell digital products, you can also go with a service-based business, because a service-based business is kind of like a digital product, because you're going to be working strictly online. Let's say you're good at managing social media pages, you could be a social media manager. Let's say you're good at editing videos, you could be a video editor, a thumbnail editor. You guys, the list is endless. Number of emails that I get from people looking to become my video editor or to edit my thumbnails is absolutely insane. And these are people that I really respect, because they are out here trying to get into their bag. The thing is, when you're somebody of value, when you're someone who's successful, you don't want to spend your time doing small tasks like managing a social media page or editing a YouTube video. Like, you would rather focus your time in on actually creating that content than editing it. Can guarantee you guys there is someone out there who needs what you already know how to do. So offer that as a service. Number 3 has really been on the rise, which is going to be creating a faceless content page and then using affiliate market to make money. What you're going to do exactly is you're going to go ahead and start a brand new Instagram page. You can do it on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. This page is going to be completely faceless. Like, no one's gonna know that it belongs to you. You can even use copyright free videos. These are already pre-made videos that you're able to download. You can purchase them from websites like Etsy. So you get hundreds of these videos, and then all you have to do is put text on these videos that is going to be high converting. Of course, with this, you're going to need a really good content strategy. So you're going to be throwing text on these videos. You're going to be using trending sounds, and you're always going to include a CTA in your video. Do not need millions of followers to do this. You just have to be consistent and have a really solid content strategy. So you're going to be posting this content, and then in your bio, you're going to be directing people, or you're going to be using an Instagram automator to direct people to a affiliate product, where if someone buys this affiliate product, you're going to be earning a commission. And with this, how you guys see so many people make money with faceless content is because these are high ticket products. So if you're going to be marketing digital products, people make the courses. Let's say I make the course, but I want you to market it for me. So I make the course, and I'm going to give you a percentage of my sale. A lot of the times with high ticket products, your commission is going to be anywhere from $500 up. And these are from products that you don't even have to make. Your job is just to constantly promote them with a really good content strategy. So the next passive income stream is going to be becoming a content creator or influencer. Now, you guys know I swear by this because I've been doing it for 11 years. And this is actually my main source of income. My main source of income, because I'm getting paid from brands. I'm getting paid from affiliate links. I'm getting paid from selling my digital products. And I'm getting paid to post, all as a influencer. It's insane. Influencer, content creator, they're both something different, but they both have the same concept. So what you basically want to do is build an audience. This is where you become your business. Like, this is where you become a personal brand, because once you have really good personal branding, it doesn't matter who you are or what your story is. Once you have built a really solid personal brand, it doesn't matter what you're selling. People are going to buy it because they stand behind you and whatever you sell. I always recommend people to become a content creator, to become an influencer, especially if you're someone who loves to be on camera, if you're someone who loves to teach, if you're someone who loves to tell their story, if you're someone who loves to build community, if you're someone who simply loves to hop on social media and speak your mind, then being a content creator and influencer would be for you. So the next passive income is going to be Amazon FBA. I did do Amazon FBA, so I know how it works and I know how rewarding Amazon FBA can be. Because with Amazon FBA, you're not shipping out the packages. You don't have to constantly market on social media because Amazon has their own ways of marketing within their website. So what you would simply do is find a really trendy product. You have to do your research with this. You really have to do your research with this. So you would buy the product in bulk, and then you would add SKU numbers to it, and then you ship it off to Amazon warehouses, and then they take care of the shipping beyond that. Like, after you do the SKU code and ship it to the warehouse, everything else is on them. You know how Amazon is, they have a warehouse, and then when someone orders your product, the warehouse packages it and you get paid. The potential for Amazon FBA is absolutely insane, and there's honestly not enough people doing it. So the sixth and the last way to make passive income online in 2025 is going to be TikTok affiliate. So TikTok affiliate has its own category, it has its own number, because the amount of money that you can make as a TikTok affiliate is absolutely insane. I'm talking thousands of dollars, you guys. Not like 1,000, 2,000. I'm talking about 20 up to $500,000. Like, it blows my mind every day that you can just come on TikTok, choose a product and put it in your video, promote it, and if that video gets a certain amount of views, if that video goes viral and people start buying, you're gonna make so much money from commissions. It's insane. Not enough people are talking about it. I'm not sure if you guys know how TikTok affiliate works, but you go on your TikTok app inside your studio dashboard and you're able to see affiliate for content creators. So what you would do is simply request a sample. Sometimes they don't approve you for the sample, so you might have to buy the samples, which is absolutely okay, because I feel like it's worth it, because you're gonna have the chance to make thousands of dollars if you market this video in a really good way. If you have a solid marketing strategy, you're able to make thousands of dollars. So you would literally just choose viral products or choose trendy products or products that are going to appeal to people emotionally. Like, people suffer with so many things. So if you can discover a product that's going to help people not suffer, to make their life easier, then that product is always going to be a bonus. So you would make videos about these products, and when people buy the products using your video, you earn a commission. It's absolutely insane. Now, granted, I didn't really go ham with the TikTok affiliate platform because I do so many different things, but I was able to make $20,000 in 1 month. So that's how I know the potential. Just imagine if that's something that you truly dedicate your time to 100%, you could really maximize using TikTok affiliate program. So as you guys can see, the truth is there is truly no shortage of opportunities. We're in 2025. There are so many ways, so many different opportunities for you guys to make money online. But the problem is the shortage of action. You guys are not taking action. You cannot sit here and just wish for your life to be better. You have to build it. One post at a time, one product at a time, one idea at a time. So if you're starting an online business, you have to constantly market your online business. If you're selling digital products, you have to constantly talk about your digital products. If you post a video on social media and it flops, guess what? You gotta post a video again. This is not made to be easy, you guys, because if it was, everyone would do it. So just stay consistent, stay persistent, stay faithful. You have to keep faith and know that this is going to work out in the end. If you're working towards something, you're not doing it for nothing. You will definitely see progress. Slow progress is better than no progress at all. Slow progress is better than doing nothing and staying stagnant and staying stuck and lost in life. And if you're someone who needs your hand held and you need further in-depth help, you guys know that I offer courses on how to become a paid influencer, how to start faceless digital marketing, as well as how to launch and market your first digital product. So you guys literally have no excuses. I'm so tired of the DMs. Help me figure this out. You guys, I have everything laid out for you in courses. It's just waiting for you to actually go ahead and take action. Take action and stop waiting around. And that is the message that I have for today. I catch you guys on next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and much love. I'm out here in the Dominican Republic. You guys know we moved to the Dominican Republic, but I am Airbnb hopping right now. So we are living our best life with complete time freedom. And if I can do it, so can you. Catch you guys in the next one.